So in this video, I just want to give you a quick walkthrough of the data you're looking at in this spreadsheet. In column A, you have all of the states. In B, the state populations. Then in C, the electoral votes for each state, and the registered voters, those who are actually set up to vote in each state. Of course, those numbers are less than the actual populations because not everyone can vote. In the other columns, we have the results of the 2012 presidential election. So you'll notice in column E, we have all the electoral votes that went to Obama. And notice, for example, that in Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, and Arkansas, there were no votes that went to Obama. That's not a typo, because in those states, the Republicans won the popular vote, so all of their electoral votes went to Romney. So in column F, you'll see all the votes that went to Romney. And then G and H give you the popular votes behind each state, right? So for example, in Alabama, you could see that Romney did win more votes and thus got the 9 electoral votes for that state. In the other columns, I and J, we have all of the other votes and the total votes here for each state, for all candidates. What you'll notice is that you can scroll up and down and the first row will not move. That's because I've frozen that row. You can change that by going to View, and here you can click whatever rows you want to freeze or not. And what that allows you to do, again, is scroll down without losing sight of that first row. Also, you notice the first column here is frozen as well. Another thing you can play with is to switch the order of each column. So for example, in column A, if I want to go alphabetical Z to A and see the states that way, I can quickly do that. Toggle back to A through Z. If I want to set the order of registered voters, which state has the most registered voters, I can go A through Z, right? Here it gives me the lowest first all the way down to the highest, so I would then click Z through A. So you can play with those, Z through A or A through Z, and then if you want to set it back to its original state in column A, click this little icon and arrange the sheet A through Z. Thanks.